Okay. So in last section we have seen volume percentage, mass percentage, okay, the density formula to find out or to change the unit to ml to gram or gram to ml. Okay. So today we are going to see our new topic, that is molarity, which is very important, and many of the time the questions are asked from the molarity. Numericals are there in HOC board exam. So let's clear the concept of our new topic, molarity. So what is molarity exactly? Molarity is nothing but, let me write the definition so that I can explain it properly. It is nothing but number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. What is it? It is number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. Now there are only one thing which is new to us, that is moles. We know solution, we know solute, okay, which is new term, that is moles. So we have to understand what is moles exactly. To understand the definition, we should understand first what is moles. So moles is nothing but a basic SI unit. I will write it down so that you will write it down properly and you will get the idea. It is basic SI unit, okay, to find amount of substance in that particular mixture. Okay, it is basic SI unit to find out amount of substance in that particular mixture. So what is moles? It is nothing but a quantity. So if I say 1 mole, the value of 1 mole is nothing but 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, this 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 can be any particles. Okay, it can be particles, it can be atoms, okay, or it can be molecules. So understand, 1 mole is nothing but 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, so let's clear this concept with a short numerical. I can say just finding out the moles of the atoms or molecules or particles in NaCl. So if they have given me, or they have said, let's take an example. They said 5.85 of NaCl. How much of mole will be there in 5.85 of NaCl? You have to find out moles. Okay. So moles का हम लोगों को पता है 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So there is one formula to find out moles, that is nothing but moles is equal to given mass of a particular mixture divided by molecular mass. What is it? Given mass upon molecular mass. This is nothing but a moles. If we find out the value of mole, then we have to use this formula, given mass upon molecular mass. So over here we have the given mass, that is 5.85 is the given mass. Okay, so we have this value. Now we have to find out molecular mass. In 11th we have studied how to find out molecular mass. So for NaCl, the value of molecular mass is nothing but molecular mass of NaCl is 58.5. This is a basic example we are taking. We will understand how to find out molecular mass when given mass is given, and we have to find out from this. Okay, so it is 58.85. So we will use how much moles we have to find out. So it will be given mass is given 5.85. Okay, divided by 58.5. Okay, so as we can see, it is 1/10th of this. So it will be 0.1 moles. Okay. So how much moles will be there in 5.85 of NaCl? 0.1 moles. So this is how we are going to find out moles in a particular given solution or a mixture. So write it down fast.